Once again, the war of words between the former allies BJP and JDU refuses to die down, with Nitish Kumar now training guns at Narendra Modi over his Patna visit, questioning if he visited the victims of the Ahmedabad blast. BJP hitting right back, saying they don't need Nitish's certificate.
कि झूठ की खेती करने वाले कुछ लोग होते हैं और झूठ का ही सहारा लेते हैं। मैंने तो पहले ही कह रखा है
15 bombs could go off. He happens to be the chief minister of a state in which such a thing has happened and has been allowed to happen.
They were once allies, but are now missing no opportunity to take a dig at each other.
दरअसल ये तो आतंकवादियों ने उनकी सहायता की है, वरना रैली तो फ्लॉप था।
A day after Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar targeted BJP's prime ministerial candidate, reverting to all the flack he faced after the Patna serial blasts.
झूठ की खेती करने वाले कुछ लोग होते हैं और झूठ का ही सहारा लेते हैं। मैंने तो पहले ही कह रखा है। और रही बात सुरक्षा के मामले में, तो ये सब लोग सुरक्षित थे। इन लोगों की रैली के लिए कितना पुलिस का डिप्लॉयमेंट हुआ, ये तो पुलिस मुख्यालय ने ही पूरा फिगर जारी किया। किसी चीज को मानते नहीं है, झूठ और हमारे संवेदनशीलता पर प्रश्न उठाते हैं।
The BJP launched a full frontal attack, hitting back at the Bihar Chief Minister.
In spite of proper understanding in writing with the police, the magistracy and the BJP of Bihar of providing bomb detection squad everywhere, why sanitization was not done?
Every charge met with an equal and opposite rebuttal, with BJP rallying behind its prime ministerial candidate, defending Modi.
Constantly questioning the mindset of people like Nitish Kumar, under whose rule, jurisdiction, a thing like this has happened. 15 bombs could go off.
This comes after Nitish trained his guns at Narendra Modi, questioning him for not meeting victims of the 2008 Ahmedabad blasts.
हम नहीं गए, जो मृतक के परिजन थे उनसे मिलने के लिए, ये हमको बोल रहे हैं। कौन बोल रहा? अहमदाबाद में 2008 में ब्लास्ट हुआ तो कहां गए थे?
His words have once again invited bitter backlash from BJP, with neither the BJP nor JDU willing to leave behind Patna serial blasts of October 27th. War of words is only escalating. Bureau Report, Times Now.